In the world of web development, two scripting languages often come up in discussions: PHP and JavaScript. Both have their unique strengths and applications, making them essential tools for developers. Today, we'll dive deep into a comprehensive comparison of PHP and JavaScript, exploring their features, benefits, and use cases. PHP, or Hypertext Preprocessor, is a server-side scripting language designed for web development. Unlike client-side JavaScript, PHP code is executed on the server, and the resulting HTML is sent to the client. This means the underlying code remains hidden from the user. PHP can send and receive cookies, generate dynamic website content, and collect form data. It is compatible with all popular operating systems, including Linux, macOS, and Windows, and works seamlessly with web servers like IIS and Apache. PHP is a versatile scripting language, perfect for both beginners and experts. It is frequently updated to stay current with technological advances. According to popularity, PHP is the sixth most popular programming language. Some of its key benefits include server-side scripting, command-line scripting, and the ability to write desktop applications. PHP is beginner-friendly, with a less steep learning curve compared to other languages. It is multifunctional, allowing developers to create and customize desktop applications, blogs, and social media platforms. PHP is also known for its speed, being 3 times faster than Python, and its low cost, as it is free and open source. JavaScript is a widely used scripting language, essential for creating interactive web pages. Giants like Netflix and Walmart use JavaScript for their web applications. Initially designed for front-end development, JavaScript now also supports real-time apps, games, and mobile applications. It runs on every browser thanks to engines like SpiderMonkey in Firefox and V8 in Chrome. JavaScript is based on the ECMAScript specification and can be written using the cross-platform runtime engine Node.js. Combining JavaScript with HTML5 and CSS3 allows developers to create web pages compatible with various browsers, devices, and platforms. JavaScript is a powerful toolkit for web developers, offering interactive elements and features that enhance user experience. It is supported by all popular browsers and is based on the C programming language, making it a structured language. JavaScript is weakly typed, allowing certain types to be implicitly cast. It is an object-oriented programming language that uses prototypes instead of classes for code inheritance. JavaScript is lightweight, case-sensitive, and can be used on multiple operating systems. It is now used for both front-end and back-end web development, making it a versatile language for developers. JavaScript has a single-threaded I/O model that is event-driven and non-blocking, making it ideal for applications requiring low latency, like streaming platforms. Node.js, with its asynchronous nature, allows code execution without waiting for functions to complete, further accelerated by the V8 engine. On the other hand, PHP has a blocking, multi-threaded I/O model and is synchronous, meaning it waits for one line of code to complete before executing the next. While PHP is slower than JavaScript, some argue it is more stable, though this advantage is not universally proven. Overall, JavaScript wins in terms of speed.